Hello, my students. This is a very short and quick revision on 3D shapes. The first shape we will discuss its properties is the cube. The cube has six faces. All its faces are squares. The face is a surface. Maybe the surface is flat or curved. All the faces of the cube are flat faces. While the cube has eight vertices, we mean by vertices the points or the corners. If you're looking at the cube, you will find we have six squares, six equal squares, and eight vertices or eight corners. You can count the lines or the edges. You will find that the cube has exactly 12 edges. Count with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We have 12 edges or 12 lines. Count with me the corners of the cube. You will find that the cube has 8 corners or 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the cube has 6 faces and 12 edges and 8 vertices. All the faces of the cube are squares. You can find 11 patterns of possible nets. The net, if you open the 3D shape, it will be converted into a 2D shape, which is called net. So you can open the net with 11 different patterns. You can open the cube with 11 different patterns. The first pattern like that. Look at this cube, how it's opened and gives you a 2D shape. You will find this pattern is 4 squares in row and 1 square up and 1 square down. The second pattern, you will find 4 squares in row, 1 squares up and 1 also is down, but the two opposite squares are not in a line. You can move the upper square right and left or the lower square right and left. You can find a T shape for the net of the possible net of the cube. Look how it's closed or unfolded. Look at this Z shape, the most common used Z shape. We have 4 in rows and in row and 1 down and 1 up at the ends of the pattern. You can find the net of this net of the cube. You can find 3 in row, 1, 2, 3, and 1 up, 1 square up and 2 down, 1, 2. Maybe the net comes or rotated like that. Then you can find 1 in line, 3 in line, 2 in line, 1, 3, 2, or 2, 3, 1. In pattern number 10, you will find also 1, 3, 2, 1 square, 3 squares, and 2 squares. The last one, which is strange for you, don't forget Z or stairs net of the cube. You will find 2, 2, 2 net of the cube. See how it's closed, how the cube closed or unfolded. The second shape or the second 3D shape is the cuboid. The cuboid also has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. And this is the shape, how it's look when open. The net of the cuboid is similar to the cube, but the main difference between the cube and the cuboid that the cuboid has has rectangles. You can find a cuboid with 2 squares. You can find a cuboid with 2 squares and 4 rectangles, or normally the cuboid has 6 rectangles. So the cuboid has 6 faces, not all of them squares, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. or corners. Moving to the next shape, which is from the main strand of the 3D shapes, which are the pyramids. The pyramid is a shape has one base and a central point in front of it. For example, this shape is called the triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid, or we have another name for the triangular pyramid, which is called the tetrahedron. Tetrahedron. The triangular pyramid has a base of the shape of triangle and a central point which is called apex or central point. While moving around the pyramid, you will find that all the side faces are triangles. All the side faces are triangles. So uh, the main idea for the pyramid is that the side faces are triangles, and we have a central point in front of the base. We name the pyramid as its base. So this pyramid is called triangular pyramid, or you can call it tetrahedron. We have we have two patterns of the net. The first pattern is like that. You can find a triangle in the middle and three triangles around. Or you can find the second pattern like a parallelogram split into four triangles. Look how it's closed. So this shape is called triangular pyramid. How many faces, how many vertices, how many edges? You can find that this shape has four faces and four vertices. The main idea or the main property for any pyramid, the number of faces is the same as the number of vertices. We have here four vertices, four corners, and four faces. You need to find the number of edges. You can count with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can use the rule, you'll add the number of faces plus the number of vertices, the number of faces plus the number of vertices, then minus 2. 4 plus 4 equals 8, minus 2 gives you 6 edges. Moving to the next 3D shape, which is called the square-based pyramid. The square-based pyramid is a pyramid has a square in the bottom or in the base and a central point above, and you can move around to find the four triangles. If you open the square-based pyramid, you will find square in middle and four triangles around. How many faces and how many vertices? You can find that the a square-based pyramid has five faces or five surfaces. One, two, three, four, five. Five faces. And don't forget that the number of faces is the same as the number of vertices for the pyramids. And five vertices or corners. Count with me. One, two, three, four, five. How many edges? You can't count the edges from the net. So you can use the rule. You will add the number of faces plus the number of vertices in minus 2. 5 plus 5 gives you 10. Minus 2 gives you 8 edges. Or you can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This shape is called square-based pyramid. We're going now to talk about prisms. The prisms or shapes has two or have two bases, two surfaces which are equal in area and without a central point. The most common prisms are squares and cuboid, and the second shape, the second or the second popular shape is triangular prism. The triangular prism has two triangles. If you move around the prism, you will find the side faces are rectangles. We have two triangles and three rectangles. This shape is called triangular prisms. Triangular prism. How many faces of this shape? You will find that this shape has five faces, two triangles, and three rectangles. By the way, because this shape is not a pyramid, it's a prism, so the number of faces is different from the number of vertices. So we have here how many faces? We have five faces, and the number of vertices, you can count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices. How about the edges? You can use the rule add the faces plus the vertices, then minus 2. 5 plus 6 gives you 11. Minus 2 gives you 9. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 edges. Close your eyes and imagine how is a triangular prism and count the number of faces and vertices and edges. We're going to talk about another shape which is called pentagonal. You can see this shape, it's a pentagonal prism. We say that this shape is a prism because we have two pentagons, two parallel pentagons without any central point. How many faces in the pentagonal pyramid? You can find prisms. You can find that we have, count with me how many faces, one top, one bottom, and five around. So in the pentagonal prism, we have 7 faces. Two pentagons plus 5 rectangles around. The total faces is 7. Because this shape is a prism, so the number of faces is different from the number of vertices. How many vertices? You can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vertices up, 5 vertices down, so we have 10 vertices or 10 corners. And the number of edges you can find using the rule 7 plus 10 equals 17 minus 2 gives you 15 edges or 15 lines. We're going to compare this shape with a pentagonal. This shape is called again pentagonal prism. Think about pentagonal pyramid. The pentagonal pyramid has one pentagon, not two pentagons, and a central point. The pentagonal pyramid, because this shape is a pyramid, so the number of faces is the same as the number of vertices. Look at the pentagonal pyramid. You will find that this shape has one pentagon down and 5 around. One pentagon down, not two pentagons, and 5 around. So this shape has only 6 faces. Because this is a pyramid, so it also has 6 vertices. How many edges do we have here? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have here 6 faces, 6 vertices. You can get the number of edges using the rule 6 plus 6 equals 12. 12 minus 2 equals 10 edges. And this shape is called pentagonal pyramid. Now we're going to talk about the shape which is called another shape which is called a sphere. The sphere is only has one curved face, no vertices, no edges. The next shape is called cylinder. The cylinder has three faces. Two faces are flat and one is curved. So we have three faces, two flat, two circular, flat, and one is curved. Sometimes you can say we have a circular edge, and sometimes you can say we don't have any edges. There is no any vertex on the cylinder shape. Uh, look at the cylinder and how it's open. See this one? You can open the cylinder and see how it's look when you open a cylinder. You will find a division sign. The next shape is called the cone. The cone has only two faces, one flat and one curved. Cone, two faces, one flat and one curved. One circle, which is flat face, and one curved. There are no vertices or edges. Look at the cone and how it's opened. This is the shape of the cone net. This is a very special 3D shape which is called octahedron. The octahedron it seems like two square-based pyramids fit together. Octahedron. Octahedron consists of 8 faces. All faces are triangles. And the octahedron has 5, 6 vertices. You can find that the octahedron has 12 edges. Count with me: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Look at the net of the octahedron and how it's opened. You will find that you have 8 triangles. Thank you for attention, and this is the end of my video.